I hated that line. Nobody puts baby in a corner. And it was only because I didn't understand what was behind it. I was thinking it's time for Patrick Swayze as Johnny Castle to come back into this room and do his big dance number. And it was only when I found what was behind that line, that it wasn't about getting ready to do the big dance number of the movie, um, with the girl that you were never going to be able to have because she was always going to be out of your league. It was about coming back to serve. There's an Eastern adage that says only when one learns to serve can one truly be master. And it was when I started this kind of thought and looking beneath the surface, was when that line worked for me. To where when I went up and said that to her, I truly believed it. But up until that point, and up until I found that background and that passion as an actor, I hated that line. I was going to do anything in my power to get it cut.